Hi, my name is Seth. I organized this event with freecampsites.net, and we came out here last year and had identified a bunch of trash on the riverside, on the desert side, and everywhere in between. And we, for the last year, had planned to clean up this area because we all love to camp here, and we want to go a little bit beyond Boy Scouts and really make this environment better for us, for the local community, and for everybody who chooses to visit here in the future, and maybe set the bar a little bit higher on the standards of what a cleanup can be. Astounds me how much trash is here, even after having canvassed it last year and again this year with 4x4s and drones. People are still finding amazing, incredible amounts of trash, everything from sailboats to old burnt out stoves, and it goes for miles and miles and miles. And we have a 40-yard dumpster here. We're hopefully having another one on the way soon, and we could probably fill up 10 and not clean up the desert. This is going to be at least a 5-year project, but it doesn't really matter because we're having fun doing it. People are making friends, people are making tribes, people are grouping up and going out in directions that none of us had even anticipated, and really going the extra mile and having fun doing it. And that's what really amazes me about this event, is that people can come together and have fun while picking up trash, which is something we all usually hate. And it's just a different angle on life when people come together for a good purpose and do crazy stuff out in the desert. In one day, we've already filled up a 40-yard dumpster and then some. It's all out of the goodwill of people's hearts. We could always use more help. We could always use more fun. And it's about building community together over trash. Yeah, and we're gonna take it as far as the community wants to take it, and it's about what people want to do. And apparently people want to do a lot more than we had originally planned, which it just gets me.
Okay, I'm Bart. We are at the 2018-19, because we're going over the new year, cleanup in the desert in Ehrenberg. And as you can see from behind me, we've done a lot of work. This is one day's worth of work, and it's fabulous, the effort that people are putting in. We are all here for the same reason. We want to help. We want to make this desert clean because people have been trashing it, and you know what? We're going to lose campgrounds if that keeps up, and we want to keep them. So we're here to do that. We're having a great time. We are cleaning up, but we're also having fun. We're having big campfires at night, we're partying, we're having a great time. I've been so surprised by the fact that I've met some fantastic friends out here, and it's great. So there's so much more you can do if you come out here. Enjoy this time. It's great to help clean up. You feel good about cleaning up. You meet friends, you feel even better. If you're missing out, I feel sorry for you. It's great here.
Awesome. Anything else you want to add? Obviously, I'm going to go through and cut this. I'm just thinking of what would be advantageous in terms of, because this will be going to the news guy just as like a highlight. I think you pretty much covered everything.
Okay.
If you could you snag Seth and give him the recorder?
Sure.
Actually.
Oh, yeah, I think you're a little rocky up there. Maybe find a better log.